So good evening, everyone. This is our group, which is Group Six Veritas, and today we're going to present the BEC introduction of each members. So now let's proceed. So first, my name is Jel Andrew D. Ramos, and I'm from Marketing Management, third year, and I'm the father.
I'm Francesca Nicole A. Carrasco, second year from Operation Management, and I'm the mother.
My name is Ramiatas Jake Alexander G. from Accounting Information System, and I am the sister of this group.
Next.
I am Luigi Santiago, third year from Marketing Management.
So next is Marie Daniel R. Barocan from Education and is also a brother. And next.
Hi, my name is Jan Portian from Operation Management, and I am a brother.
So now let's proceed to our patron saint. So our patron saint is Saint Thomas Aquinas. So this is his biography. So first, who is he? So Saint Thomas Aquinas from 1225 to 1274 is a Dominican friar and a Catholic priest, also a philosopher, and kilala siya isa siya sa mga kilalang pinaka magaling na doktor, church doctors. So yun. And kilala siya sa pagkokonekta or pagiging relevant about sa faith and sa reason, which is ayun nga, nabibigay niya ng justice, kumbaga yung faith and reason na balance lang. Next is where and when was he born? So he was born from 1225. There's no exact date or unknown. Then the place of his birth is from Rocasesca from near Aquino in Italy.